Stop apparatus proper distance to make up suction. Make up suction properly. Before hooking up hard suction, ensure that the main inlet valve is open. Stop apparatus as close to water supply as possible to reduce vertical lift. Immerse suction properly. Shift transmission to neutral. Apply parking brake. Attach lines to discharge gates. Close all discharge gates, bleeders, valves, and front suction. Move electric pump shift switch down to pump position. The upper green light next to electric pump switch will come on provided the pump and transmission are aligned. Shift transmission into drive. The lower green light should come on, appear next to the electric pump switch. If green light does not appear, shift back to neutral, then momentarily reverse back to neutral and finally back to drive. Check electric transfer valve for volume setting. Push mode button on governor. Governor will be in PSI mode. Push mode button again to switch to RPM mode.
Go to 1100.
Set engine RPM to 800 to 1200 RPM using increase button. Pull prime valve handle. Watching compound gauge for vacuum reading. When pump is primed, open discharge gate slowly. Release prime valve handle. Push mode button to change from RPM mode to PSI mode. Use correct volume pressure setting. Raise pump to nominal operational pressure using increase button. Determine from hose load record amount of hose laid and determine proper pressure and set using increase or decrease button. Use auxiliary cooling valve as needed. For temporary shutdown, reduce to 50 to 75 psi at discharge gauge. Open bleeder valve on at least 2 discharge gates not in use, or the red line. Slowly open discharge gates with open bleeders. Slowly close lines in use. Pumping from draft, shut down. Return pressure governor to idle. Close discharge gates slowly, open bleeders. Check electric transfer valve for proper setting. Shift transmission to neutral. Wait 4 seconds and move electric shift up to road position. The green lights will now go off. Shut engine down. Disconnect hose lines. Disconnect hard suction. Hang on to hammer.
I'm not going to put that in, right? It's a tri-flow.
Yep. All right. Open all drains and bleeders. Back flush pump and walk around apparatus to see if all equipment is secured.